Have you ever wondered how fresh, juicy cherries are transformed into exquisite premium juice? Welcome inside one of the most state-of-the-art, fully automated fruit processing plants in the world. Here, human labor has been almost entirely replaced by machines. Right from the very first step, massive industrial robotic arms handle the unloading with absolute precision, gently feeding tons of raw materials into the production line without bruising a single cherry. Immediately after, the bright red batches of cherries make their way through a hydraulic system and a vibrating conveyor belt. Under the cool industrial lighting, high-pressure nozzles and streams of pure water continuously gush down, washing away all dirt and leaves, creating an incredibly mesmerizing and satisfying wash. Next, optical technology takes center stage. Camera and sensor systems scan every single fruit, ensuring only the most flawless cherries are allowed to proceed. Then, an ultra-speed cutting machine with razor-sharp stainless steel blades gently splits each cherry in half and removes the pits in perfect, unbelievable rhythm. These ruby-red cherry halves now continue their journey into a spinning drum and a heated conveyor belt to soften up before being firmly pressed through massive metal rollers. And here is the most satisfying part: thick, deep red fruit extract begins to pour out. This entire mixture is quickly pumped through a complex network of pipes, leading straight into massive high-pressure tanks for filtering and concentrating, locking in that original authentic flavor. The final stage of the cycle is the filling process. The sparkling, ruby-like juice is automatically pumped into individual jugs with milliliter-perfect precision. After being sealed and shrink wrapped into rubber pallets, the smart cold storage robotic system automatically extends its reach, carefully stacking them on towering shelves. Everything is now ready to be distributed to consumers all around the globe. The absolute perfection and precision of machinery can sometimes be truly captivating, don't you think? If you found watching this process satisfying, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to join us as we continue exploring more ultimate industrial marvels.